What do you see here? Yes, it's the video of blood flowing. Do you know what is blood? Let's look into it. Blood is the fluid part in human body. It performs several essential functions. It travels throughout the body through arteries and veins. The blood vessels carry blood throughout the part of our body, keeping them functioning and thriving. Let's understand it through a video.
Blood 10 points of life force coursing through thousands of miles of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Those blood vessels carry blood to every other organs, keeping them functioning and thriving. Our red blood cells carry oxygen and nutrients. Our platelets stop bleeding and help to heal our wounds. Our white cells protect us against infection. And the yellow liquid plasma in which they are suspended carries an array of proteins that regulate bleeding and clotting.
I hope you understood the video. Now, let's analyze the characteristics of blood. Which color do you see here? Yes, it's red. The blood is red in color due to the presence of a protein called hemoglobin. Is blood and water have same thickness? No, blood is more thicker than water, which means blood is more viscous. Also, blood has a pH value of 7.35 to 7.45.
Characteristics of blood. Color. The blood is red in color. It is due to the presence of hemoglobin. Viscosity. Blood is thicker and more viscous than water due to its cellular components. pH. Blood has slightly alkaline pH ranging from 7.35 to 7.45.
Now, look into the components of blood. Blood consists of plasma and blood cells. Plasma is the fluid portion of the blood. It consists of about 55% of total blood volume. It consists of water, proteins and other components. The proteins include albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin helps us to maintain our blood pressure. Globulin helps in defense mechanism and fibrinogen helps us to in blood clotting. Then the blood cells. The blood cells include red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells. It is also called erythrocytes or RBC. It contains a protein called hemoglobin. It carries oxygen. It has a lifespan of about 120 days. Our body reproduces RBCs every day and replace those that dies. Then the white blood cells. White blood cells are also called leukocytes or WBCs. They are involved in defense mechanism which protect our body from foreign invaders and infectious diseases. These cells are produced in bone marrow. It has a lifespan of about 2 to 3 weeks. Platelets. Platelets are also a component of blood. It helps in preventing bleeding disorders and also play an important role in maintaining homeostasis. Let's understand it through a video.
There are various components of blood: plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's understand about each. Plasma. It is the yellowish liquid portion of blood. Plasma is the single largest component of human blood, comprising approximately 55%. It contains water, salts, antibodies, enzymes, and proteins. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes or RBC. It comprises of about 45% of blood. It contains a protein called hemoglobin that carries oxygen. Blood gets its vibrant red color when hemoglobin picks up oxygen in lungs. Red blood cells live for about 120 days. Every day, the body makes new RBCs to replace those die. RBCs are produced in the soft fatty tissue inside bone cavities called bone marrow. White blood cells. White blood cells are also called leukocytes or WBC. These are the cells of the immune system which involved in protecting the body against foreign invaders and infectious diseases. White blood cells derive multipotent cells in the bone marrow called hematopoietic stem cells. Platelets. Platelets, when one of your blood vessels get damaged, it sends signals that are picked up by the tiny platelets. The platelets then rush to the site of damage and form a clot to repair the damage. Now it's time to learn how blood flows in the body. Oxygen you breathe in from the air passes through the lungs and your blood through tiny capillaries in the lungs. Oxygen rich blood travels through your pulmonary vein to the left side of your heart and out of the aorta to the rest of the body. There are 8 blood types: A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, O negative, O positive, AB negative, and AB positive. We should eat dry fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains, low fat dairy, etc. to keep the blood healthy and clean. Now you know lot about blood.
I hope you understood the video. Now it's time to rewind what we have learned today. We have learned about the components of blood and its function. There are mainly two components of blood: the fluid part, plasma, and the cellular part, blood cells. Plasma consists of water, proteins, and other components. The proteins included in plasma are albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. Albumin helps in maintaining blood pressure. Fibrinogen helps in blood clotting, and globulin helps in defense mechanism. Blood cells include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood contains protein called hemoglobin. It has a lifespan of about 120 days. It carries oxygen throughout our body. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. It fights against infectious diseases and foreign invaders. It has a lifespan of about 2 to 3 weeks. Then comes the platelets. Platelets which helps in blood clotting. Now it's time to assess your understanding. So I will show you some questions. You have to answer it.
Name the components of blood. Plasma blood cells. Name the fluid part of blood. Plasma. Name the types of blood cells. Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. What is the function of red blood cells? Oxygen transport. What is the function of white blood cells? Helps in defense mechanism. What is the function of platelets? Helps in blood clotting.
Now, I hope you all have understood what we have learned today. So, I will give you an activity. You have to fill it. Then I will give you a follow-up activity.
activity. Prepare a photo album with pictures of different components of blood and its functions.
I hope you all are interested in the topic I taught. So you can search more about this through the reference links.